Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Harmonix brush pack from Jing Sketch. I have gotten a lot of comments about having issues with the blending of the Harmonix, and I know in the last video where I did the in-depth review, I showed that you can make a new color, and a lot of people misunderstood that the brush itself does the coloring, or changes the color rather. So one of the comments I got was from Ellie. The comment says, for some reason when I blend / smudge two colors with the Harmonix brushes, they don't make a new color. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but it's bummed me out. I can't figure out what it is. And then a stone face. So I'm gonna go over how I was able to make the new color, but under that there was a couple replies. I think one's from me actually. Yeah, so it's just me saying I'm going to do a follow-up video, and then somebody else is having the exact same issue. I know it can be kind of hard with an in-depth review to just kind of chip away at certain things. So if there's something in the videos that you need a little bit more concrete of an idea, please leave them in the comments. I love getting comments like these. It's just finding the time to make like a separate video has been kind of tough because, life. So to get started, I am going to open the brushes. You can see here on the screen, I got a ton of brush packs, but the Jing Sketch and the Jing Harmonix are right here. So I'm using the Harmonix brush pack. Now another big confusion is that you need to use the blending tool. And what's cool about this brush is that you don't to make the new color. So we're gonna pick two colors that have kind of harmony with each other. I like blue and purple. But you could also do like orange and yellow, or orange and purple. Orange and purple are going to be, conflicting colors or complementary colors, and then blue and purple are more analogous. They're closer to each other. So let's just do the analogous one, and this is what I mean by making a new color. So we got this blue here, and really saturate the area. And what's nice about this brush is that you can kind of see what the color is along this edge here, but then this is the color you're getting, so it's more muted. Now we're going to switch to a purple. I'm going to go closer to red just so, and you're going to lightly take that same brush and just go over it, and the harder you push, the more it's going to mute it. But if you go light, that's where you start creating that new color, and that new color is right here. So I'm going to, that's the new color you're getting. And so it perfectly blends the two colors going into each other, which is pretty cool. It's not something that you normally get with other brush packs. So, that was the analogous one. Now we're going to do complementary colors. This is one that I did to kind of test it. And as you can see here, this was like a lighter purple, and then a yellow, and then it turns into like a pinkish, and here on this purple, and then it turned into pink. But we're gonna do that just starting off here, so let's get that out of the way. So I'm gonna go with a nice, like a lighter purple. Make that brush a little bigger. The oil, so the difference between the oil and the pastel, the oil is going to be a lot more concrete. It's going to be a lot more thick and viscous, whereas this one, it really does feel like pastel. Now, I've worked with pastel a lot, and one of the hardest things with pastel is getting that blend. So it's nice that the computer is able to mimic that blending technique. So now, got the purple down, so now I'm going to go and grab that orange. And we're going to go a little bit more vibrant so we can see that color blend. So, like I said, go as light as possible. But you see now, you've created a new color. It's a little bit of work, but that color is right there. That's the new color. So hopefully this helps. If you have any more questions about this brush pack, please let me know. I love just going over this stuff because it feels like every day I'm finding something new to mess around with and play with. So I'm learning just as much as you guys are. So I'm going to do a quick blend so you can see the difference with blending. Blending is just going to make it more solidified, so I don't know. So you see how here there's still some areas where you can still see the purple. What the blend's going to do is it's going to mask that a little bit. So this is great for sunrises and maybe like an alien planet or a nebulous system, and you just want kind of like the background of the nebula to kind of have this vibrant color. That's what this this harmonic set is really great for. But hopefully Ellie and Max Sweet, hopefully this helped. Like I said, it's a lot of trial and error, but it's fun to play with, and you never know what new techniques you're going to come out with when you mess around with these settings. So hopefully that helped, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to always keep it over 9,000 and hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you and take care.